So my check engine light came on today, and the car felt like it's rough on idling, and I was thinking it's misfiring. So what I did was I popped off the hood and I listened to it, and it sounds like it's misfiring. Listen to it. So what I did is I went to AutoZone because I don't have no OBD scanner, so I borrowed their OBD scanner. They're free. Just check them out, and then you can plug the OBD scanner underneath the steering in the bottom left corner, and then turn on the ignition and let them do their thing. So in here, they're gonna ask you a couple questions. Just go follow through it, and then after that, after they read on it, you just gotta go back inside of the counter so they can give you the reading. They gotta plug it in, and they gave me all these codes, pretty much P0303, Misfire, and mass airflow sensor, the P0113 and 102. So what I did is I don't wanna, diagnose it one by one. We're gonna do the basic, or we're gonna start off with cheapest repair. So we're gonna replace the spark plugs, ignition coil, and mass airflow sensor. It was like $61 altogether. They're not bad. Start off cheap, right? So the parts came in this morning, so I replaced this ignition coil, and look at that discoloration. The moist, and it looks like oil to me. So it means we also need to replace the valve cover gasket on this car. Look at that. And I also replaced the spark plugs. And look at that. It's nasty. And listen to the engine. It sounds stable now, not misfiring. That's the new ignition coil. Spark plugs underneath, brand new. And the map sensor didn't came in, but it looks fine to me. And look at that. All the oil built up around the valve cover. That means you need to replace that. It's too old, leaking out.